Hi, my name is Silent Dad. This video will contain solutions for the exercises in the C programming language book by Kernighan and Ritchie. Exercise 3-1. A hard the search makes two tests inside the loop, when one would suffice at the price of more tests outside. Write a version with only one test inside the loop and measure the difference in runtime. So first, let's copy the original bin search function. So this is the bin search function. Next in so we're just copying the original bin search function, then we're going to modify it to satisfy the condition of our exercises. Now, as you can see, the original bin search function has the uses the else if else construction. Okay. So from here we can change some we can change part of this code to satisfy the requirement of the exercise. Now, okay, the exercise requires us to write a version with only one test inside the loop and measure the difference in runtime. So this is the loop that is being mentioned, so we're going to use only one test. Okay, so let's use this test if x is less than 2 b mid. So obviously if x is less than 2 b mid, the value of I will change, and if x is not less than 2 b mid, or it will fall on the else function. So else the lower limit will change to, so if x is not less than 2 v mid, which means our lower limit will be equal to mid plus 1. Okay, we know that this loop will end if the range is empty, meaning if low is less than or equal to, or is less than or equal to high. And also we need to find a way if these two conditions are not met, meaning if x is neither less than nor greater than v mid, we need to use that as a way to get out of the loop. So we're going to include that as a condition in the while statement, and x is not equal to b mid. Okay, so this uses only one loop, one test inside, which satisfies the requirement of our program. Okay, so we know that this loop will terminate if these two conditions are if either of these conditions are true. So okay, so we need to test if x is equal to mid b mid, meaning we have a match, going to return mid, else going to return -1. Match found. Match not found. Okay. So let's try to test this by putting in some data. So now let's say 10 0 0 1 1 3 5 9 11 18 So we have 10 elements. So hit F, bin search. Let's say we want to search for the number 4, num 10 size. Return 0. Okay, so let's try to compile. So we should be expecting printf to be the result to be -1. So 39. Oh, wait. Segmentation fault. Okay. We don't have. Let's initialize mid to 0. -1. So what if the number? Let's try to find the number 0. We should have 0. Okay. Say 1. Let's say we need to find the number 1. Should be 2, of course, 2. Let's say 100. -1 because there is no 100. So now the next question is measure the difference in runtime. So how do we measure the difference in runtime? So let's one way is to create a program that uses the original value of bin search. So instead of creating a new program, let's create a new function which is called bin search orig, which uses the original, which is just the original bin search function. So int x and v n and low, high, mid, low equals 0, high equals n minus 1, while low is less than or equal to high, equals low plus high divided by 2. X is less than V mid equals mid minus 1, else if X is greater than V mid, low equals mid plus 1, else return mid, return negative 1. Okay, so this is the original bin search. I forgot to create a template, so let's create a template at least. Okay, now we have the original bin search and the bin search that we created. So let's first comment this out, then let's run. So how do we measure the time? By using the Linux time program. So let's time. Okay, this is the execution time of our program using this bin search function. Now let's comment this out and use the other bin search function. See, let's compile. Okay, so let's call bin search orig, compile, then let's run. Let's see if it will result in the same, negative 1. So let's time this. Okay, so the difference in time, the other one is 0.005 seconds, the other one is 0.004 seconds, the real time. So there is the time difference. So that's how you measure the difference in runtime. So that is the runtime. Okay, so that will be all for now, and I hope you learned something.